Welcome to House of Hybrids. My name is Renato, and today I will be showing one of the biggest secrets of Teslas, okay, and how to change a oil on a Tesla. And that procedure, we can use it in any type of Tesla or year. So today we'll be working on a 2013 Model S, but you can do that in Model S, X, Y, 3, Cybertruck, or even Roadster. Okay, so let's do it, and I'll be showing. And on the Tesla, we will be working from the back, from the trunk. And on the Tesla, you have that key that looks like a little car. And to open the trunk, you press twice on the trunk. 1, 2, and your trunk will be open. Right? So, and how we doing? It's pretty simple. Don't be scared. You definitely can do it. I believe in you. So, you get your oil. In this case, I'm using the 530. And you start just removing the old diaper, the dirty diaper. I always recommend to use some wipers, baby wipers. Clean very good. And there you go, get the new one. Place it in it. And how you see is not complicated. And I always recommend to have a pacifier in hand to be helpful. Alright? Okay guys, this is just a joke, but here at House of Hybrids, we are specializing in all hybrid vehicles, plug-ins, and full electric cars. So, and follow us in all social media, because we're gonna have a lot of good tips and tutorial videos how to fix it, how to understand your vehicle, and also some reviews of new cars. In case you would like, you're thinking about changing your car, buying a new car, you will know which one are the best ones, what's the changes they came on the new models. Okay, so follow us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I see you guys next video. Thank you.